This year, the Single Pair Ethernet System Alliance is attending the most relevant industrial trade fair show, the Hannover Fair, with its own booth. What drives the SPE System Alliance to be part of the trade fair and why you should be part of the alliance? This will be explained with our two representatives here. And I like to welcome Torsten Janwlecke, COO at Phoenix Contact, and Volker Bibelhausen, CTO at Weidmüller. Torsten, can you tell us what topics are driving the SPE System Alliance?
Well, I think along this whole trade show, I think there's a lot of issues about decarbonization and digitalization, the big 2Ds that the whole trade show is discussing. And of course, Single Pair Ethernet is a little piece of the whole game in order to allow to address those two issues. So Single Pair Ethernet is probably the missing piece to allow a communication infrastructure that is intensively integrated in the whole automation chain. And with SPE, we should be able to allow to connect the sensor up to the cloud in a seamless communication infrastructure.
Mm-hmm. So I can imagine there's a lot of common market standard activities. What is the position of the Single Pair Ethernet System Alliance when we talk about standardization activities, Volker?
Well, when Torsten talks about communication, that the world goes digital and needs communication, the world also goes Ethernet as a communication standard, and so do the large user organizations, P&O and ODVA. They all look into standardized Ethernet communication. And the next big thing is really Single Pair Ethernet. It's a money saver. Yeah, looking into the automotive industry where this technology emerged 10 years ago. And it has several advantages which we present in our alliance, of course. And I feel it's the time now to standardize both for P&O and ODVA, because that allows seamless integration of systems and allows smart communication and solutions for our today's world.
Mm-hmm. So the SPE System Alliance is already a really strong alliance or association. Torsten, can you tell us how SPE or how the System Alliance is already positioned in the market?
Well, first of all, I think it's worth mentioning that we have already 55 companies as a member of the System Alliance itself. And these 55 companies are representing a lot of different applications and different product lines to make a whole system work together. So in our case, we really emphasize to find partners in bringing the products to market and bringing the solutions to market, in order not just to have companies on the sensor market like SICK or like Phoenix Contact for switches and connectors, or Weidmüller on the connector side as well. I think we're trying to cover the entire system with now these 55 members.
The user organizations are all centered around certain technologies and profiles and protocols, and they can transfer their IP, their protocols easily onto Single Pair Ethernet. And it would be very wise to do it now. So 55 is a good start. It is semiconductor companies, it's specialists for electromechanical products, and if now the large user organizations would join, I think this will be a game changer in the industry.
Yeah, thank you very much. So, Single Pair Ethernet is the future, and the basis for exchange ideas and concepts has already been set, and we are really looking forward to get into a personal exchange with you.